Assalamualaikum. So today I'm gonna show you how to make a spicy chicken pizza. So here are the things needed for the dough. So first I'm gonna put the flour into the bowl. Then milk powder, yeast, sugar and oil. Mix it well. Now make a dough by adding lukewarm water into it. And the dough is done. I'm applying a little bit of oil in my fingertips and folding the dough once again. Now close this and keep it for about 1 hour. Meanwhile, let's make the sauce. So first boil the tomatoes, peel them off and blend them. First I'm adding the tomato puree into a bowl. Then I'm adding the sauce. Chili powder, garlic and ginger paste, pepper powder and oregano powder or flakes, and mix it well. So next let us make the chicken topping for the pizza. Here are the things needed. First add the oil into the pan, and when the oil gets heated, when the oil gets heated, add the chicken pieces. About half a cup. Then add onions, garlic and ginger paste, tomatoes and green chilies, and mixing it well. And then add the spices one by one. So once again, mix it well. Let the chicken cook well, like this. And now I'm adding a little bit of water, maybe quarter cup, or that's your wish. Let it cook well, and here it is. So now the dough is ready. Flatten it into a circle shape using your hands or maybe with a rolling pin. I'm using my hands. Now it's done, so I'm making some tiny holes from a fork. You can do this, that's better for the taste. Then add the sauce into this. Spread it well. Then add the chicken. Once again, spread the chicken well.
Yes.
And now I'm adding some bell pepper, and that's optional. Wow. Then add mozzarella or cheddar cheese. So here's how it looks like. Bake for 10 minutes in preheated oven of 180 degrees Celsius, or let the pizza cook in pan for 10 minutes in low heat. Wow, it's done and it's delicious. Just believe me, you must try this. So anyways, please like my video and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And that's it. Thanks for watching. May Allah bless you. Bye bye.